What's up, tubers? This is SUPERDELL. Hope your day is going well. Today is Super Bowl Sunday, and man, it is here. Y'all already know who I'm going for. I'm going for my boy Brady. Y'all don't know, but the reason I wanted to do this video because I get a lot of questions on the asksuperdelltv at gmail.com email. And people are wanting to start their own YouTube, and they just need a little bit of guidance on how to start it. So of course I'm here. I'm gonna lead you. I'm gonna give you a little bit of tips, some advice, and then I'm gonna let y'all go on to spread your wings. So let's go ahead and get the video started. Let's go. All right, tubers, I am back. Now, before I get started, I want to give a salute and a shout out to Darealwy. I'm going to leave her channel in the description because she took my logo that I created and she put it on this shirt. Now, of course, you cannot see the green on it because I am on a green screen, but you can see the red and the white. And she added the the cable cord right here because it says cut the cable cord. And right now, that's what I'm into, saving y'all a lot of money. With cutting the cable cord using different devices. So hey, big shout out and salute to Dareal. Appreciate you, girl. So we gonna definitely get it back into the video, but I had to show love to my girl. That's a cool girl if y'all don't know her by now. But anyway, you see, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button. Also, once you subscribe, there's a notification bell icon. If you click that, you'll get notified anytime I release any content on YouTube. Okay, so let's get back into the subject. Starting your YouTube channel. So like I said, within this last month, I've been receiving emails saying, hey SUPERDELL, I love your channel. I want to do the same thing. I want to start my own channel doing the same thing that y'all are doing on your channel. Tech talk, showing different ways, or I want to start create a channel so I can teach my customers how to troubleshoot the boxes. All type of ways, but we're in the same field as streaming field. Okay, so you can use devices such as your camera, you can use camcorders, you can use your cell phone. It's a lot of devices you can use. Okay, but I'm gonna show you what I use, and then I'm gonna give you some pointers to be successful on YouTube. Okay, one thing I use, and I'm gonna pull this back over here. This right here is called AGPtEK, and this is a capture device. Okay, you could plug the shield in here and have it plugged into your TV. Also in the front right here, you can plug your microphone up, and that way you can commentate. You can do commentary on your video without even going in and having to do voiceovers. So a lot of YouTubers are doing voiceovers. You don't, with this device right here, this all black one, please do not get this one. All right, this is the old one, this is the new one. If you get this one, I'm telling you, it will make your life a whole lot better. All right, and it's not too expensive. It's only $67, but I'm telling you, it's going to save you some time. Only thing you'll have to use is a flash drive, and then you take it to your PC, and then you can upload it to YouTube. All right, or if you got an editing program, you can edit what you don't want and then send it to YouTube. This is a great device to have, really, when you're in the same field as I am, and we're talking about streaming, because you want to be able to show your people how to troubleshoot, or how to add an add-on, how to add an APK. I'm telling you, it's very nice. And next, this is for people I have both of these. People who use their PC to do things. You can use your PC to capture. Now, I'm quite sure there are other devices out there, but I'm talking about a budget one. I'm not telling you to go out there and spend no $150, $200. But you can get this one that does the same job as those. Like Elgato, they got theirs. And this is very easy. I mean, you can hook the shield up. You can hook an Android TV box up. And then you can record as I'm doing right now. This is what I'm using right now, and this is how I showcase what I'm doing on YouTube. Also, OBS, you can run this with OBS and a whole lot of other things. This is very nice. And again, you got the input of the HDMI, and then you got the output. Okay, and then you just plug it into your PC. So it's very, very easy. Maybe I'll get in depth with this one, but it's very, you see it right here. They got Xboxes, Blu-ray players, and they plug them in, and then you can send it to a TV. All right, and you can record from it. It is very nice, y'all. Very, very nice. So let me move this to the side because I really want to talk to y'all about that. I know YouTube have this policy now to monetize your video. People want to start YouTube to make a couple extra dollars. Maybe you can take that money you make off YouTube and pay your car note, or pay a major bill, or just put it to the side and save it. Not even touch it. Just let it build up. That way, the more money you make, you can go out there and get better equipment. So they got the 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours, and that's cool. They gonna make changes. You already know they're gonna keep making changes. And with these devices I just showed you, when you put your content on YouTube, everybody can see it. It's crispy, it's nice, it's beautiful. So definitely that will help you get to your 1,000 subs and your 4,000 hours. Now, I definitely wanted to, whenever you start to talk about YouTube, you want to have a niche. All right, you want something that's going to catch the eye of viewers. Like you want to, I don't care if it's cooking, I don't care if it's gadgets, I don't care if it's sports, I don't care if you're a barber, I don't care if you're a beautician. You want to have something that catches the eye of the viewers. So that's why I say you want to have clean videos. You don't want to do it how I started off, using a camera, holding your camera and stuff like that. A lot of YouTubers start off like that, but then they know they got to graduate like quick, because people will click on your video and be like, man, I'm not about to watch this, and go to somewhere else to get the content. All right, so have a niche, have something. So if you're in the same field that I'm in right now, definitely clean it up, get one of those devices and do your thing and watch. I'm telling you, because you don't want to sit there and have that, a cell phone like this, how I started off, and pointing at a TV and stuff like that. Or I mean, it's cool if you got a tripod and something and it's just pointing, but to get in depth of that video, you definitely want one of those devices. Okay, the next one, when I tell you to have a niche too, before I move on, don't clickbait. Don't say don't say the greatest box of all time, and then you pull up a M8S box, a old ass box. I don't have one, but you put up an old Android box, because people I'm telling you, you're gonna get a lot of thumbs down, and people gonna be commenting, and you're not gonna like it. So don't clickbait. Just be yourself, and go from there. Also on YouTube, you must stay consistent. Stay consistent. Push them out. I don't care if you're pushing them out, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I mean, push them out. You may have a schedule. Set a schedule. So if you want to do it on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, let it be known, like, hey, I'm dropping videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So your viewers, your subscribers, they'll see you. And the more you stay consistent, the more YouTube will push you out there. That way you can get your, your money. Okay, so stay consistent. Also, get ideas from other YouTubers. Not one YouTuber can say that they thought of everything themselves. They went to other channels and learned from people who went to, just keep doing that. I'm telling you, everybody, one thing in this field, when it comes to streaming, this field, everybody copy off of everybody, but they just put their little twist on there. How many Terrarium TV videos are out there? It's like probably 100,000 of them. But, everybody watch everybody, but everybody subscribers are not subscribed to them. So it's okay. You can do it. Don't worry about it. Be yourself. Do your thing. have your own style. So don't look at somebody and be like, you know, no, they already do it. I can't. They already did it. I can't do it. You can do it. Just put your style out there. And if you want to shout them out, like, hey, I seen SUPERDELL do this video. Hey, shout out to SUPERDELL. I done helped a lot of YouTubers who give me shout outs because I helped them. And you know, I don't mind helping. And I'm telling you, people gonna come to you for information too, and you be the same way. You know, you help someone out, I'm telling you, and it's gonna go. It's going to go farther than what you expect. As I stated earlier, do not spend a lot of money on your devices. Get what you need, and that's it. Get what you need, and as you grow and your money start to, you know, build, that's when you will go and get, you know, you'll start getting better equipment. So don't go out there thinking you about to spend $500. No. Absolutely not. Do not do it, because I'm telling you, you're gonna sit back and be like, damn, I wasted my money. So grow, you know, as you grow, see items that you need, and then you go and get them. But make sure your money is right. Don't go out here and get all this fancy lighting that costs, you know, $200, and then you're not ready for it. So just get you some regular lights. You can go to Home Depot and get you some regular lights. I'm telling you, look, I wish y'all could see this. Look at this. This is the light I'm using. So definitely, all right. So don't go out there spending a lot of money on lights. You know, I got a couple right here, but I didn't spend a lot of money. So stay in budget, okay? Be yourself. Be yourself. Be yourself. Don't try to be like nobody. Now, of course, we all want to be like that big person that get a lot of views, and of course, they probably making a lot of money. But, you know, you could take a snippet and then twist it and be yourself with it. You know what I'm saying? Like I heard somebody say, what's popping? You know, and every time, you know, he come in, he be like, hey, what's popping? I took it, I just be like, hey, what's up? What's popping, YouTubers? You know, what's popping? You know, how y'all doing out there? So you could take that, you know, I'm not trying to be him, but yes, I took that phrase, what's popping? You know, and he, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to him. This guy is doing big things, and I like his style, but I didn't take his style. I just took a phrase, and there's nothing wrong with that. And so another thing I want to tell you, do your research. Always do your research. Do your research. That way you could be your own boss, okay? Do your research. When it comes to streaming, IPTV, getting these Nvidia Shield, getting these Android TV boxes, look, do your research on them. Do your research on them, tell them, and then when you do your video, you'll be more confident. You'll be like, hey, yeah, this is what it's about. You know, hey, I didn't like this. You know, I didn't like that. And that way you're more comfortable on screen. Okay, you're going to get better in time. All right, and last but not least, market yourself. And when I say market yourself, share your videos on Facebook, put your information on Pinterest, go on there and put a picture on Instagram and tell everybody to go to your YouTube channel. Create a picture, do whatever you got to do to promote your channel. Now, once it catch, it's going to catch. All right, it's going to catch. And I remember when I was doing it big. I was doing numbers. This is like a year and a half ago. But then I had to take time off because my kids, you know, they're in the sports, so it took a lot of time off. And I'm starting to get back into it. But look at other YouTubers who put content out almost every day, and you see them doing 20,000 views, 50,000 views. I got videos on my channel that got damn near 300,000 views on it, but you can see where I came off. All right, and I slowed down because of my family. So sometimes it be like that. But definitely when you do your video, share it on Facebook, share it in Facebook groups and all of that. So again, if you need any questions answered, you want to start your YouTube channel, definitely you can come and ask me on asksuperdelltv at gmail.com, and then we'll go from there. Hey, so salute to everyone. Salute to my girl Real. And this is just a way to start your YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification. That way, I'm telling you, you'll stay up to date with SUPERDELL. We growing, y'all. And shout out to the DST team. Shout out. We got that Facebook growing. That'll be in the description too. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Peace.